Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Crypto Mercy back for a deep dive on the Elrond chart and patterns, and we're gonna analyze everything. And I know a lot of people are not believing me on Twitter. And Mr. Mercy, what's going on? You don't have any bullish scenario. You know, I will bring back a bullish scenario if we can at least go back inside this parallel channel that we lost. And anyway, I was tracking this with all my subscribers, and it was not looking good. You need to understand that this is a classical bearish pennant, and there is not much to say. I'm just going to show you here with a symmetrical triangle right here. And, you know, you understand that this is also technically a W pattern fake out. At the neckline, it was rejected. And we came back and are confirming this M pattern neckline right here with this wick rejection at 140 that I predicted inside the my Telegram channel. Everyone was, oh, mercy, you right on. And, you know, I know where our resistance and support of Elrond. I know where Elrond can bounce back or can get a lot of resistance. And the actual Elrond condition inside higher time frame is pretty weak right now, to be honest. All right. This is a bearish pennant. I'm going to show you this ABCDE. A lot of people say, hey, mercy, the E wave is not done. We're going to go back here. I was thinking about this, but the Binance market makers of Elrond create a flat ABC, and, you know, was really, really hard to detect here. But we were following that, and here I knew that this was an ABC to create. And now, you know, the market makers of Elrond are starting to smoke a little too much. They only play flat. Hope you are hearing me. Hope they are listening a little bit to me here because, you know, I can sniff them. This is A with an ABC and 1.232 possible target when you have a flat ABC are the 0.9 or the 123. We catch this. And it bounced back right on resistance at 169, 169, 169. Many videos I made about 169. And now there is this was the trap to end this E wave, and you know, was expected to go higher around 182, 183 at that resistance, but they trap everyone there, and we lose after that the floor of this symmetrical triangle. And you need to understand that a symmetrical triangle is always a trend continuation. And we lost the floor of this parallel channel. We lost the floor of this triangle, symmetrical triangle, and the pennant. And now we are testing the M neckline. This is a M pattern bearish. This was a fake out W pattern rejected. Okay, everything was planified. And now, what about the target? There is, you know, a technique that I use. Okay, I'm gonna copy this poll. And you're going to bring this pole right here on top to be sure to not to be able to catch this wick down. But I'm telling you, this is not the bottom. 48.40 is the projection of the safe projection. And at the breaking down point right here, you will get right here this wick. You know, we can see that was the breaking point. But if we are placing the target here, it is around $32. Now this can be this one too. If you bring this there, you know, you can play a little bit. I would say it is around 28 and 40 48 bucks. It's going to be in this range. Also, why you have, it's mathematical, but things don't happen as a coincidence like that. They are mathematical, and that's our expertise to try to figure out where we're going to go next. And it's why now I have a lot of subscribers on the whole, and they're listening to my prediction, and they're really happy, and they are staying. Now, this is a very strong support shoulder right here on your left, and it's why this is what market makers are looking to test. But there is, support for sure, and I'm going to show you at 80. 85, 83, something like this. This is a higher time frame support. Look at this, a 3 month. It is a very strong support. You must expect a bounce there. No joke. You should expect a bounce right there. And you're gonna have also this 21 right here that is pretty strong support, even 19.70. Right there. Inside the monthly, do we have others? Inside the 2 weeks, we have a bunch of support right here. This area is going to be really strong. Gotta figure out this can bounce back from there around 97.34 and 74.47. There is a bunch of 2 week support that will help the eagle to bounce back a little. We can expect a wick in that area first and a bounce back, and it's not gonna go down just like without stopping. Elrond is not gonna go through all that like butter. I just want you to understand that. Also, very, very important right here. This is the 0.382 had been historically the best place to catch ultimate wave 2 for almost every strong crypto inside the top 50. Right here, I'm gonna bring this to you right there. But usually, okay, inside the logarithmic, you need to understand that very strong crypto can bounce back from the 0.3. Middle one, 0.382. Even BTC came back, and I'm going to show you that BTC came back to 0.382 inside the last bear market to around $3,200. Yeah. And the weakest one will catch the 0.5. And this is what I see for the eagle. We must expect this area to get wicked by a dump at some point. And even that wick, I know you're not going to believe me anyway. It's okay. And, share your thoughts. I would really appreciate if you can share your thoughts inside the comment section. Also, it's really cool for the algos. It's going to help me. I'm very close to 2,000 subscribers. I would like to thank you for that. A lot of people are watching my videos all the time, and I really appreciate all of you so much. And thanks for supporting me with my Telegram channel. The whole, it's growing, and what a nice community. It's unbelievable. I love so much everyone. And right here, what I'm expecting is, for sure, they're gonna try to snap the liquidity here with a wick. I would not be surprised that we catch 19.70, 21.11 around this area, because at this point, let's go and come grab the liquidity. But if you don't have any orders, forget about this. This is gonna be fast, quick. And for sure, it is possible that the 0.3 will be the ultimate fib for Elrond. But, on what I see, this area is my favorite. And also, I'm going to show you why quickly. if we take this pattern, and I'm taking the highest point right here, you can see that it's also correlating with the 123 and the 100 fib. Now, the 161.8 is at 18 bucks. They can catch everything if they want, but it's starting to be a little bit far, and I'm seeing a lot of support in this area. It's going to depend what's going to happen on the other side with the ape coin. No, I'm joking. All right. Now, just want to show you BTC. You know, it's really simple. BTC, I'm going to use BLX. We're going to have more information right here. All right, let's... Okay, BTC. Okay. Now, this was the last bottom of the last bear market, and we created a monthly tweezer bottom. After that, I'm inside the 2 weeks. But this is, now you take your fib retracement tool, you go on top and bring this on the ultimate bottom, and you will see that the ultimate logarithmic 0.382 is around 21.2K for BTC. Don't think BTC will come around here. Now it never happened historically, and you know, I'm gonna probably come back on that. But this is usually the 0.3 or 0.382 logarithmic for BTC. Now, is it a possibility that we're gonna have a real crash to the 0.5? This is not the information and data I'm getting right now. Right now, if we take this poll, because it's a little different than Elrond, because this is a bear flag, and this bear flag right here is breaking down right now. If you are zooming in and you copy this poll and you grab the highest point, you will see that we are probably gonna come to safely to this area around 23.1. Now, if you take this pole and bring this pole at the breakdown point, we snap the 0.382. This is the ultimate top buying zone for me to catch the ultimate bottom. But for sure, historically, we're gonna check if a monthly tweezer bottom is forming, or a 2 months tweezer bottom is forming, or even a 3 months. But you know, it's how it goes. Now, historically, capitulation had always took around 30 to 90 days. Historically, it's why it brings us at the end of the summer in August, September, something like that. Okay, because we're gonna have to go over a little, accumulation and period, accumulation period. And after that, we should come back up inside another wave one and an impulse. Okay, I think I've been, okay. Yeah, this is a tricks too. You can have it inside your weekly chart. The moving average 210 had been historically the one to catch not Elrond, sorry, BTC bear market bottom. Right here, okay. You see this moving average right here is pointing exactly at the 0.382 at 21.2K right now. If it's fast, we should come inside this area. But if this is moving higher slowly, and it should, you must expect to, get a wick probably to grab the liquidity. But the support will be stronger. What I mean by that will be stronger over the 0.382. But look, historically, this moving average had been pretty accurate to catch this bottom here, in 2015. If you are following it and you had this moving average 210 inside your weekly chart, you're a winner. you're a winner. And yes, it can go lower than this, but I would be very surprised. BTC, and I'm going to show you that. It is really important to figure out this. If we take the ultimate top of the last bull market that happened in 2017, and you come right here, you will see 0.382. Right on. Okay. And if you are coming right here, top of the bull market, bottom of the bull market, 0.3. Okay. Historically, 2 times at the 0.34 BTC, 1 time at the 0.382 right here. It was a very strong retracement last bear market, but we must expect the same to happen right here. Let's figure out what happened for this first little cycle, 0.30. We lost it a little bit. Okay, wish you the best of the best. This was a big video, but you know, one thing that I can tell you, I love you. Bye.